People make queues at many kinds of places, such as food court, famous restaurants, airport, or Apple Store. Waiting in queues is, unfortunately, an inescapable part of everyday life, especially in densely populated cities. Long or unpredictable queuing delays can cause aggravation and disrupt schedules. Being able to infer both the aggregate state of a queue, such as average waiting time, and the individual context, such as, is a person queuing, and, if so, for how long, are clearly practically important objectives. Such knowledge can be used, for example, to provide real-time delay estimates to people deciding on which food court to visit for lunch, or by a store operator to deliver a special incentive to an individual who has been queuing for a while. At a high level, we postulate that queuing is defined by a repetitive sequence of micro-activities that principally involve standing interspersed with short bursts of walking or stepping. Our queue Vadis system inside each queuing user's smartphone implements a two-tier classification system based on sensor data from accelerometer. In the lower layer, micro-activities, such as stand or walk, will be detected once every 2 seconds. Using the stream of micro-activities in a second-tier classifier, higher-level activity if queuing will be detected with the queue profile-specific periodicity. As the user starts queue Vadis system on his carrying Android phone, lower-layer classifier is starting detecting micro-activities once every 2 seconds. Now the target user is inside a queue at a drink shop of our university food court. The user is now standing right now, but occasionally he steps forward inside the queue as people ahead get served and leave the queue one by one. Now he steps forward. Don't miss it. Then, once every 48 seconds in this case, the higher layer classifier executes and now queuing activity has been detected. This periodicity, 48 seconds, is based on our extensive real-world queuing observation from over 20 locations and 5 queue types. According to average duration of people's each standing and stepping activities inside queues, in case of food and beverage queues, the system assumes occasional stepping activity occurs during this temporal window with high probability.